Okay, so what kind of situation do we have at the moment on LTC USD? We have a market that clearly has created this nice M formation. After an M formation, what do you expect? You expect the market to go for a retest of the neckline, and then normally you want to see the market continue to the downside. However, as we know already from the analysis that we made on BTC USD just before the halving, what basically did we say? We said we definitely want to see BTC USD go and grab some liquidity inside of this area, and then the move to the upside can start. And as you know, LTC USD correlates pretty well with BTC USD. So basically, what does it mean? It means that if BTC USD is going to continue to the upside or possibly go again for a test of this demand zone before continuing to the upside, then also LTC USD basically should follow to the upside. So at the moment, can we be looking for possible shorts on LTC USD? No, because even if this is a clear structure level, and definitely from here we should see the market continue lower, it would still be too risky. So if the market will melt to the downside, I'm perfectly fine with missing out on the move to the downside. So with students, we're not interested in the possible short that there is here on LTC USD. But if BTC USD will continue to the upside and basically LTC USD will obviously follow, then what will happen? The market will have created basically a minor W formation. After W formation, what will happen? The market is going to go basically to retest this structure, but this structure will have been turned at that point support, because this previous resistance here will be turned support at this area. And what we will have here is this previous resistance now turned support. We will have the completion of the W formation. We will have the creation of this impulse correction, an impulse pattern to the upside, and we will have the confluence of the Fibonacci taken from the low to the high of the impulse inside of this area. So inside of here, what we will have is a clear confluence of support. And since there is a clear confluence of support inside of this area, there are definitely good probabilities for a bounce away from this zone and continuation to the upside if, obviously, BTC USD will also obviously follow to the upside. So what we will be doing if the market will actually manage to break this structure to the upside and go for a retest, we will be monitoring price action inside of this area with students, waiting for the market to provide to us one of our valid entries. And if the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, then we will be taking a nice long with a good risk to reward and good probabilities for a nice move to the upside. But until the market remains below the structure, the market should continue to the downside. And only if the market will actually manage by following BTC USD to break to the upside, then at that point we will be looking on the retest for possible longing opportunities from a 4-hour perspective if our rules will be satisfied on the 4 hours. Now, if you enjoyed this free analysis and education, make sure you drop a like and a comment. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you, and I will see you in the next video.